One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is to put their money in one place. That's why today in this video, we are looking at the Cow Asset Management, one of the licensed investment company operating right here in Ghana. I will break down what Cow Asset Management does, the funds they offer, their strengths, their risks, and how a beginner can get started. This is part of an education series on investment opportunities available here in Ghana on this channel. If you are ready, let's dive right into it. Cow Asset Management is an investment management company in Ghana. It's part of the Cow Bank Group, which gives it a strong institutional backing. Just like other investment managers, Cow Asset Management pulls money from investors and invests it professionally for them and aims to grow their money over time. They invest in government securities, bonds, and equities. Cow Asset Management is licensed and regulated by Securities and Exchange Commission of Ghana, which is very important when you are choosing an investment platform. First fund is Cow Money Market Fund. It's a low-risk fund that focuses on safety and liquidity. It invests mainly in treasury bills, short-term government securities, and bank deposits. This fund is suitable for beginners, emergency savings, and short-term goals. You can start with a small amount, and your money is relatively easy to access. However, because it focuses on safety, your returns are moderate, not aggressive. The second one is Cow Balance Fund. This fund is designed for medium long-term investors who want both growth and safety. It invests in bonds, fixed income securities, and selected stocks. This mix allows for better growth potential than the money market fund, while still managing risks. However, the value for this fund can fluctuate in the short term, so a lot of patience is needed. The third major fund is the Cow Equity Fund. This fund invests mainly in shares of companies that are listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange. It is designed for long-term wealth building and investors who can tolerate market ups and downs. This fund offers a higher growth potential, but also a higher risk, and is not suitable for short-term needs. Here are some of the strengths of Cow Asset Management. First, it has a strong banking backing because it's being part of the Cow Bank gives it credibility and structure. Secondly, it has a clear fund options. You can choose between low risk, medium risk, and higher risk. Thirdly, it's also good for diversification because it helps you spread your money across with options to help you choose the one that is suitable for you. Fourth one is professional management. Professionals are the one who manage your money for you. You don't have to do everything by yourself. You just have to choose the fund option you want to go with, and professionals are going to do the work for you. Now let's talk about the risks. I always say this, there is no investment opportunity that comes without a risk. Firstly, returns are not guaranteed. Market conditions and interest rates affect market performance. Secondly, balance and equity fund fluctuates. You might see short-term decline before long-term growth. Thirdly, this is not a savings account. Do not invest money you might need urgently, especially when you are going for the balance in the equity fund. And overall, it's best for investors who are patient. That's when they're going to see real growth for their money. Now, let's talk about how you can actually start investing with Cow Asset Management. Firstly, you have to choose a fund you want to go with. You can go for the Cow Money Market Fund if you want safety and easy access to your money. Then the Cow Balance Fund if you want balanced growth. And the Cow Equity Fund if you can save for a long term and can tolerate risks. And you don't have to go for all the three. You can choose one and add another one later, or you can just choose to go with one. It doesn't matter. First thing is you have to open an account. You can open an account by visiting a Cow Bank branch, or you can contact Cow Asset Management for assisted registration. All you will need is your Ghana card, telephone number, email, and some personal information. After your account is open, You can fund it through bank transfers, standing order, or a deposit. And you can invest monthly or whenever you want. Now, the fourth thing you have to do is to monitor and stay consistent and can track your account through statements. And you have to make sure you top up consistently and avoid panicking if you see the markets declining. This is a long-term journey. That's why if you're not ready to do it for the long run, you just have to go for the calm money markets fund. That one you know is the same as your savings account, and you can just stretch your hands and get your money whenever you want it. But then if you choose the balanced one, you want to invest for a while, or you go for the equity one, forget about the money, let it grow. You just have to be consistent. These are my personal takes on car asset management. I think it's a very good option. And I like the fact that it has a strong institutional backing and also promote diversification. I mean, what are you looking for? If you watch my video on data bank, you see data bank has also the same kind of diversification. But the only thing that car bank is missing from what data bank has to provide is the investment towards building a house and all that. If you watch the video, you get to know what I'm talking about. That's the only thing car asset management doesn't have. But I still think their fund offers are really good. And it's something I wouldn't mind choosing because damn, it's good. If you are also watching this and you feel like, okay, there's something I can go with, what I would say is do your own research to make sure you like where you'll be investing your money in. Because if you are not really interested in like the vision or what the institution is about, I don't think you invest the money there. And this video is also not a financial advice. They reflect my own learning journey. That's why I always say make sure you do your own research. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and share with a friend you would like to see them leveling up on their financial journey. See you next time with another powerful set of insight. Bye.